Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips for transforming your home. Today, we will focus on something super important for creating the ultimate cozy bedroom, a dark and comfortable space using blackout curtains. Whether you're trying to block out the sunlight for a good night's sleep, create a moody atmosphere, or even reduce outside noise, blackout curtains are the perfect solution. Let's jump into how you can use them to create a dark and cozy bedroom that's perfect for relaxation. 1. Why blackout curtains? So, why blackout curtains? They do a lot more than just keep your room dark. These curtains are specially designed to block out 99% of light, which is perfect if you love sleeping in total darkness or if you need a midday nap. Not only do they help with sleep, but they also offer privacy, block out unwanted noise, and can even help insulate your room to keep it cool during hot days or warm during cold nights. They're the ultimate cozy bedroom must-have. 2. Choosing the right style. Blackout curtains come in a variety of colors and designs, so you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. If you're going for a dark and cozy vibe, deep tones like charcoal, navy, or forest green work beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with double layering, pairing blackout curtains with sheer panels for daytime style and nighttime comfort. 3. How to install blackout curtains. First, you'll want to measure your windows carefully to ensure you get the right size. The curtains should extend a few inches beyond the window frame on all sides to ensure maximum light blockage. When it comes to hanging, you can use a regular curtain rod, but make sure to mount it slightly higher and wider than your window for that perfect blackout effect. Once you have them up, you'll notice an instant change in the room's ambience: darker, cozier, and much more relaxing. 4. Creating the perfect cozy vibe. Now that your blackout curtains are up, let's enhance the cozy vibes. Since your room is already darker, add some warmth with soft lighting like bedside lamps, string lights, or even candles. Think about adding plush bedding to make the space even more inviting. The contrast between the dark, restful curtains and warm, soft textures will make your bedroom the perfect sanctuary for relaxation. And there you have it, how to create a dark and cozy bedroom using blackout curtains. Whether you're a night owl, light sleeper, or just love a moody atmosphere, blackout curtains are the perfect solution to help you get that restful, peaceful vibe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.